Hi everyone, today I will show an easy step-by-step guide on how to book flight tickets on trip.com in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's get started with the video. Step 1. Visit the website or app. Start by visiting the trip.com website or trip.com mobile app. Step 2. Search for flights. Enter your departure and destination cities, travel dates, one-way or round trip and business or economy class and the number of passengers. After that, click Search to view available options. Step 3. Select your flight. Choose a flight that fits your schedule and budget. Use filters for price, duration and airline preferences. Step 4. Enter passenger details. Fill in the necessary details for all passengers. Ensure names match the IDs or passports. Step 5. Review your selected flight details and proceed to payment. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the purchase. That's all you need to do.